want to make this short and sweet. Thank you so much for the guys who participated in the Thursday Zoom. I truly appreciate that. It was 10 people there. You guys said you got a lot of value from that. That makes my entire heart happy. So now I want to, give you guys more. What I realized I specialize in is helping small businesses grow at a rapid pace. So what I was able to do in 3 days was able to create a $10,000 a month income in 3 days. And let me just show you how I was able to do that. So one of the first things you need to understand is the numbers, like the law of numbers, right? So again, there's no substitution for speaking to someone. So you want to get as many people in your store as you possibly can, so then you know how many people you need to speak to before you're able to sell a product. That's extremely important. So in 3 days, I was able to get 28 leads, and then now I'm just basing these numbers off like what I personally do, and this can obviously be structured and tailored to your business. So out of 28 is validated. They're coming from Facebook. Typically 75% are interested. These are all numbers that's going to apply to you as well. Scheduled appointments, these numbers are going to apply to you as well. If somebody's interested, 90% of the time they're booking. What we need to know is how much each customer is worth. So for me, this is year, I do it by year. Each customer is worth $814 because my retention rate is so high. I pour into a customer so much that they don't leave, they don't want to leave, which is fantastic. What you want to pour into your customers. So $814. My closing rate now, here's where you may need the help at. My closing rate is about over 70%, but I dropped it down to 70%. It's over 70%, but let's just use 70%. So 70% and so 13, right? So out of the 28 people, and these are real numbers. So out of the 28 people, I spoke to 3. All 3 closed. I closed all 3 of them. These numbers are people who booked, but I'm telling you, it don't matter. Like the numbers are never gonna change. The numbers are the numbers. Men lie, women lie, numbers don't. I can tell you up to the cent how much money I'm gonna make this month and this year running this system like this. It's extremely incredible. So I spoke to 3 people. I closed 3 people already. This ad, I got 28 people. I've been running it for 3 days. It cost me $45. So $45 I've already made on the front end. Let me not confuse you. Let me just tell you what I'm making on the back end. I'm making $2,400 on the back end for the year, and I spent $45. So understanding the numbers obviously is extremely important. I'm getting an advance because they're paying something up front of $3,876.92. And what I'm owed on the back end of that, if they stay a year and the numbers say they are, is $6,892.30, and that's being paid a month. So in 3 days, I was able to create an advance of $3,876.92 and a monthly payment of $626.57. So with one campaign, this is one campaign that I'm running here, I'm at $123,830 for the year. Now, I have 3 campaigns running, so that's why I was able to create $10,000 in 3 days a month. Now, your numbers may be lower, your numbers may be higher, but your numbers will increase. So what I'm telling you is, like, let me help you like structure this correctly, because I've spent tons of money on ads that just don't work. So the best advice I could give you, don't boost your ads. Boosting, listen, is for exposure. Yeah, it's sometimes we want exposure. No, we don't want that. We want leads. We want people taking actionable steps. Trust me, I've spent hundreds of dollars and I have not got the results I've got here in 3 days, spending less than $100. So I need you to trust me on this, and I'll help you build this out. So the 3 tools that you need before I get off is you need a CRM system so we can make this automated. You need Facebook ads that's done like correctly, and the CRM system and the automation is one. So CRM system, the automation, and the Facebook ads. Those are 3 tools that you need to increase your monthly income. Give me any business. Let me structure it, help you structure it, leverage or hand it to me, whatever makes it easier for you guys. Let's do that. and I can 4x, 10x, 20x your business. I just did it in 3 days. So, and I had the receipts to prove it. So I'm here if you need me, guys. As always, we do free, coaching. We call it coaching calls, mentorship calls on Thursday at 8 o'clock. I'm gonna switch the time though, because that's Storm's time. So we may do one more 8 o'clock, and then I'll figure out another week. But as long as I'm here in God's will, I'm gonna be giving you free information, free jewels, free tips. If you want help structuring your business, please reach out. I cannot help everybody because this does take some work to do, but I can help the people that are like serious, right? I know everybody's like serious about their business, of course, but I'm talking about like serious, like ready to take actionable steps today. I'm here. I have the time today and tomorrow. Reach out and let's put this together. Love you guys. Take care.